This is going to demolish any false claims that an Eduardo, Edward, anybody in the state of New York or otherwise, okay, that's not publicly known, has no affiliation with this company. Nobody, not even a single person on my board of directors, has any say-so over anything that takes place in this corporation. This is a one-man army. There are no investors. There are no sponsors. There is no, nor should there be, any investor or sponsor paying any person other than myself. There is no co-partner. There is no CEO who has to say, I am the CEO, I'm the president, I'm the vice president, I am COO, CFO, I am the true and living Reese E. Nash Limited Liability Company. There is not a single soul who dictates or governs, nor do they have any authority, nor may they open their mouth to say anything other than what has already been directed, what is being directed, or what will be directed by me. In the event of any untimely mishap, this corporation dissolves. It doesn't exist anymore, okay? Except for the charitable section that is not entitled Reese E. Nash Limited Liability Company. Under no circumstance is any material to be shared, to be had, to be sold, to be offered to any party or third party or fourth party without my permission or consent. It would be considered unlawful. Because someone who is famous was paying attention to me when somebody made a comment, that person took that comment as a threat. The video was reported and taken off of YouTube. I was contacted shortly thereafter about this particular individual, stating that he was stalking somebody, and he made it very clear online. And for some reason, that person felt like there would be no electronic footprint. So what that did is that kind of put me in a bind. But I was contacted by the celebrity who used, his resources to determine that there was some activity going on in the background that should not have been. And see, this is what happens. See, when you're famous, you got people watching you. When you're nobody, you got to ride through a neighborhood and hope somebody throw their hand up, and that's hard to do. Even if you would have been friends with somebody, once a person go to jail, they got caught with 80 bricks, 80 million, something like that. I'm just throwing some shit out there. And then they don't do much time in jail. But you beat a nigga ass, fuck a nigga up, and you sit in jail for almost 7 years. It don't matter how much money you got at that time, you ain't getting no bail. And, so on and so forth. So when you see people in the neighborhood that everybody else might be bowing down to, you ain't got no reason to bow down to nobody, especially and ain't nobody, supposed to be on no high horse in the first place. So that doesn't happen. I'm not one of those people where I dick ride, neighborhood ride. I don't do none of that shit. Ain't none of that gonna happen. Ain't nobody, I was advised of this and that and this and that. Listen to me. I'm gonna make something very clear. It's been the way it's gonna be, and ain't nothing gonna change. And it's gonna stay that way. And ain't nobody gonna fuck with that. And you could try, and I'm not mad. That's why I said that, okay? I'm gonna leave that like that. Too many people made too many mistakes, man. Y'all put me in all kind of binds by doing dumb shit. You know what I'm saying? You make a comment like you stalking me, and then you bring heat to me. Eduardo, whatever your name is, but I know what your name is now. I don't have no partners. This throne belonged to me. If somebody illegally transferred a false document of some sort, it would immediately be disproved in a court because it does not bear a brand or a signature or anything, a relic that belongs to this company, which are many. It does not, that contract does not come with any notifiable designated symbol or signature that would be required, okay, within this company to be able to make a document a valid document. The valid document would not just have one signature, it would have a board of directors, okay, that a particular board of director, or depending on what it is, it could be several board of directors who would actually sign this document. Anytime you have a real corporation with shareholders, you do not make any contract drawn without their permission, knowledge, or consent. So because this corporation is a standing corporation, this standing corporation has been a corporation for quite a few years. This corporation owns other businesses smaller than it in size, but this corporation maintains jurisdiction over all other businesses belonging to this corporation, and somebody may have made a mistake somewhere. So if somebody made a mistake, somebody created something, somebody tried to say that something belongs to them and it doesn't, it's very likely that I already know who that person is. But it could be unlikely that I don't know who this person is or what this person did. I want you, and each of you, to make sure that if you have any information or knowledge with respect to any unauthorized use, duplication, recording of anything that has been posted by this corporation, one of its board members, or any theft of intellectual property, reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. This video is going to be shared across platforms, and it will stay like that momentarily until enough information has come in. And if you don't want to leave anything in the comment section, you can find my phone number all over this page. All you have to do is just text me, okay? I need you to understand that I might get 1 million texts in a day's time. So I will get to you when, or as soon as possible. All I need you to do is reach out. And for now, this is it. This is all, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, y'all keep rocking with me. Y'all gonna watch me turn this spaceship into the first one to travel across, the entire distance of the solar system in a very short period of time. I'm gonna send this channel through the roof very soon, but I've been very busy lately, micromanaging other affairs. As soon as I have the time, I will get back to this channel. This is not something that will ever be lost, nor forgotten, nor will there ever come a time where someone will cause any work put forth in this channel, especially with any video that involves a God-given gift, at any time, nor at any place. This channel will not falter, it will not fail. The wheels will keep turning, and nothing's going to stop it. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all have yourself a good Sunday. I hope you do. And until next time, peace.